Here's another clip from one of our episodes of Badass Body Shop. For the full video, check the link in the description. It's free.
Fucking DC.
Hello, we're filming video right now. I'll do it. All right. We're going to be talking about this 2009.
Take two.
We're going to be talking about this 2009 Pontiac Solstice. Actually, a very highly collectible car. We all know Pontiac's out of business. And this was kind of Pontiac's last attempt at a little rocket ship. Real interesting car. It's mostly made out of Enduroflex plastic. This car came in because he had a little incident with a construction barrel and a wrench. Came under here, tore the bottom of the bumper off, misaligned this fender, which we've already been able to realign. Came back here, wrench stuck in the tire, spun around, tore up the quarter panel. The quarter panel has already been repaired and prepped. Right now it's sitting in primer and guide coat for its final sand before it's painted. What we'll do is we'll paint this entire quarter panel, bring it in here. We are not going to actually put color in here because it'll blend over. That way it all matches perfectly. So we expect to have this vehicle returned back to its owner in just a couple of days. The whole car will be detailed and cleaned up and given back to him. So it's just another one of our little cool day-to-day things here at Winter Park Paint Collision.
Want to see this full episode? Link in the description for the full episode of Badass Body Shop. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well for some exclusive content. Don't want to miss any of these videos? Make sure you hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay badass.